Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Rank Math for affiliate keyword targeting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Rank Math for affiliate keyword targeting, start by ensuring you have the Rank Math plugin installed and activate. Access your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Rank Math settings. From the dashboard, find the General Settings section. Locate the Affiliate tab within the Settings panel. Enable the affiliate feature by toggling the switch to on. Once activated, scroll down to the Default Data section. Here, you can input your preferred affiliate networks. Add your unique affiliate ID if required by the network. Next, move to the Keywords tab to start targeting specific keywords. Use the search function to find relevant keywords related to your niche. Select the keywords that align with your affiliate products. Now, head over to the Content AI section of Rank Math. Utilize the Content AI feature to generate content suggestions based on your selected keywords. Review the content recommendations provided. Incorporate these keywords into your website's content strategically. After adding relevant keywords, optimize your meta titles and descriptions. Ensure that your content is engaging and informative for better audience retention. Finally, track your keyword performance through the Rank Math Analytics dashboard. Monitor your affiliate links and conversions to adjust your strategy as needed. By following these steps, you'll effectively connect with Rank Math for targeted affiliate keyword optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.